Welcome to Autobike Focus, where we explore the most advanced machines redefining speed, power, and technology. Today we dive into one of the most ambitious military aviation projects in modern history, the 2026 Mikoyan MiG-41, Russia's proposed sixth-generation interceptor. Designed as a successor to the legendary MiG-31 Foxhound, the MiG-41 represents Russia's attempt to build the fastest and most advanced fighter interceptor the world has ever seen. With groundbreaking performance targets, futuristic weapons, and unmatched reach, this aircraft promises to push the very boundaries of aerospace engineering. The legacy of the MiG-31. To understand the significance of the MiG-41, it is essential to look back at its predecessor, the MiG-31. First introduced in the 1980s, the MiG-31 was built as a high-speed interceptor capable of countering American bombers, cruise missiles, and reconnaissance aircraft. Its incredible speed of Mach 2.83 and its ability to patrol the vast expanses of Russian airspace made it an irreplaceable platform for decades. However, by the mid-2010s, it was clear that the MiG-31 was aging, and a next-generation replacement was needed to ensure Russia maintained its long-range interception capability. Thus, the MiG-41 project was conceived not merely as an upgrade, but as a revolutionary leap forward. Design, philosophy, and concept. The MiG-41 is envisioned as a sixth-generation interceptor, emphasizing extreme speed, high-altitude performance, and advanced detection systems. Unlike typical multi-role fighters, the MiG-41 is not designed for dogfighting, but for rapid response and long-range interception of enemy aircraft, bombers, and hypersonic missiles. Its conceptual design suggests a sleek, elongated airframe optimized for reduced drag at hypersonic speeds, with advanced stealth shaping to reduce radar cross-section. The emphasis is on intercepting threats at distances of over 1,000 kilometers, protecting Russia's vast territory and airspace from modern threats. Speed and hypersonic ambitions. Perhaps the most striking feature of the MiG-41 is its projected speed. Reports from Russian sources claim the aircraft will be capable of reaching speeds between Mach 4 and Mach 4.3, making it the fastest manned combat aircraft in history if achieved. This would outclass not only current fourth and fifth generation fighters, but also surpass the legendary SR-71 Blackbird's maximum speed. Such velocity would allow the MiG-41 to intercept incoming threats almost immediately after detection, giving adversaries little time to react. Hypersonic speed also means the aircraft could potentially escape enemy missiles simply by outrunning them, a defensive capability unmatched by existing fighters. Stealth and survivability. While extreme speed is a key feature, the MiG-41 also incorporates stealth technology to ensure survivability. The design is expected to utilize radar-absorbing materials, internal weapons bays, and a shape optimized to reduce radar cross-section. Unlike fifth-generation stealth fighters such as the F-35 or Su-57, the MiG-41 may prioritize stealth against detection at long range rather than absolute invisibility at close range, relying on speed and altitude as its primary defenses. By combining stealth shaping with hypersonic performance, Russia aims to create an interceptor that is nearly impossible to stop once airborne. Advanced radar and sensors. For the MiG-41 to fulfill its role, it must possess some of the most advanced sensor systems ever developed. It is rumored to be equipped with next-generation AESA radar, infrared search and track systems, and long-range detection arrays capable of spotting stealth aircraft and hypersonic missiles. Additionally, advanced data link technology would allow the MiG-41 to share target information with satellites, ground-based radars, and other aircraft, creating a seamless defensive network. By 2026, Russian engineers are focusing on integrating artificial intelligence into these systems, enabling the aircraft to analyze threats and suggest responses at hypersonic closing speeds, where human reaction time alone may not suffice. Weapons systems. The hypersonic arsenal. The MiG-41 is expected to carry some of the most advanced weaponry ever fielded on a fighter. This includes long-range Kinzhal hypersonic missiles, anti-satellite weapons, and next-generation air-to-air missiles with ranges exceeding 300 kilometers. There are also claims that the MiG-41 could eventually be equipped with laser weapons for missile defense. a concept still in its early stages, but increasingly discussed in Russian defense circles. Internal weapon bays would ensure stealth, while allowing the aircraft to carry a versatile payload capable of engaging bombers, stealth fighters, and even satellites in low Earth orbit. Anti-satellite and space capabilities. One of the most ambitious claims about the MiG-41 is its potential anti-satellite capability. Russian sources suggest the aircraft may be able to reach near space altitudes and launch specialized missiles designed to destroy satellites. If true, this would make the MiG-41 not just a defender of Russian skies, but a weapon that extends into the domain of space. This space intercept capability would provide Russia with a strategic advantage in the increasingly militarized arena of orbital assets, potentially threatening reconnaissance and communication satellites vital to modern warfare. Engine technology. Powering an aircraft to Mach 4 requires revolutionary propulsion. The MiG-41 is rumored to utilize a combination of turbojet and ramjet engines, allowing efficient performance at both subsonic and hypersonic speeds. The development of such propulsion systems is one of the greatest engineering challenges of the project, as sustaining flight at hypersonic speeds requires advanced cooling systems and materials resistant to extreme heat. By 2026, Russian research into next-generation engines and advanced alloys continues, with prototypes reportedly undergoing early testing. If successful, the MiG-41 will redefine what is possible in manned flight. Role in Russian defense strategy. The MiG-41 is not intended to be a mass-produced multi-role fighter like the Su-57, but a specialized strategic interceptor. Its primary mission is to protect Russia's enormous airspace from advanced threats such as stealth bombers, hypersonic missiles, and reconnaissance aircraft. In particular, it is designed to counter the US B-21 Raider stealth bomber, as well as hypersonic weapons being developed by NATO. The MiG-41 will serve as the first line of defense against these long-range strategic threats, filling the critical role currently held by the MiG-31, but with far greater capabilities. Comparison with global rivals. Globally, no other country has publicly confirmed the development of an interceptor comparable to the MiG-41. The US is focused on sixth-generation multi-role fighters under the NGAD program, while China is advancing its J-20 stealth fighter and rumored next-gen projects. However, none are officially pursuing a hypersonic manned interceptor. If Russia succeeds, the MiG-41 would be in a class of its own, providing a capability unmatched by Western or Asian rivals. Its speed and missile systems could challenge US air superiority and force NATO to reconsider its strategic defense planning. Challenges and criticism. Despite the ambitious vision, the MiG-41 faces significant challenges. Critics point to Russia's economic limitations, technological hurdles, and the immense costs of developing such an advanced platform. Achieving Mach 4 speed in a reliable, combat-capable aircraft requires breakthroughs in propulsion, materials, and avionics that even the wealthiest nations struggle to afford. Skeptics argue that the MiG-41 may remain more of a concept than an operational fighter, or that only a limited number will ever be built. By 2026, Russia claims progress is being made, but concrete evidence of full-scale production remains limited. Future outlook. Looking ahead, the MiG-41 has the potential to redefine aerial combat and defense strategy. If it enters service in the late 2020s or early 2030s as projected, it could serve as a deterrent against future threats and reinforce Russia's position as a leader in aerospace innovation. The aircraft's integration into Russia's air defense network, alongside platforms like the Su-57 and advanced S-500 missile